On October 21, 2016, the MGPI processing plant in Atchison, Kansas, experienced a hazardous chemical reaction when incompatible chemicals, sulfuric acid and sodium hypochlorite, were inadvertently mixed during unloading operations. The reaction released a toxic greenish-yellow chlorine gas cloud, affecting both the plant and the surrounding community. Over 140 individuals sought medical attention, including 6 hospitalizations, and 11,000 local residents were advised to shelter in place. The incident highlighted significant deficiencies in chemical transfer procedures and equipment design. What happened? At 7:35 a.m., a Harcross Chemicals truck delivered sulfuric acid to MGPI. After reviewing the paperwork, the operator escorted the driver to unlock the sulfuric acid fill line but left before verifying the connection. At 7:47 a.m., the driver mistakenly connected the discharge hose to the sodium hypochlorite line due to improper labeling and unsecured dust caps. Sulfuric acid flowed into the incompatible sodium hypochlorite tank. At 8 a.m., the reaction produced a toxic chlorine gas cloud, spreading across the facility and into the surrounding area. Workers evacuated without respiratory protection, and the local emergency management issued shelter-in-place orders for nearby residents. At 8:43 a.m., emergency responders mitigated the release by shutting off valves and activating deluge systems. By 11 a.m., the cloud dissipated, and the emergency orders were lifted. What are the root causes? Equipment design. Poorly labeled and closely spaced fill lines increased the risk of connection errors. Missing or corroded locks on dust caps allowed unauthorized access. Human errors. Operators failed to verify the chemical connection and relied on informal practices inconsistent with written procedures. Training and oversight. Lack of active monitoring and insufficient training on unloading processes contributed to procedural noncompliance. Emergency preparedness. Inadequate storage of respiratory equipment delayed workers' response to the gas release. Key lessons and mitigations. Improved design. Use unique, color-coded couplings and physical separation for incompatible chemical fill lines. Stronger protocols. Enforce procedures requiring operators to verify chemical connections before unloading and directly oversee transfer operations. Enhance training. Provide comprehensive, scenario-based training for employees and drivers to improve awareness of chemical hazards. Emergency readiness. Ensure respiratory equipment is readily accessible and conduct regular drills for chemical release scenarios. Thank you for watching.